Hey there, YouTube fans, how you going? I wanted to just quickly document this. 10 years cancer-free, just in the hospital car park, and my surgeon, God bless him, said that at 10 years we call you cured of cancer. Cured of cancer. I had osteosarcoma in my left humerus, the bone in the left arm, about 10 years ago, and I've got a titanium prosthetic inside that's acting like bone. You know, it's like a ball joint in your car. It's quite amazing. I told him, like, hey doctor, I'm doing weights still. And the interesting thing is, he showed me an x-ray of another patient whose shoulder joint come apart, and he said it's possible it's because you're doing weights that, you know, yours is looking really good 10 years later, your joint. So I got the green light to do weights. That's good. He also said, I said, look, I'm considering travel back to Italy for a while, or indefinitely, and he said that we can transfer your file to Bologna in Italy, Bologna. So yeah, really good day, and I'm feeling very happy about that. All right, I'm going to go and get something to eat. Yeah, so I just wanted to document that. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll hopefully teach you something more interesting next time, but yeah, I just wanted to share that good news. God bless. Teacher Sal out.